Welcome to the channel Yardman Farming TV. Big up on yourself anywhere you know watch from. Don't know say country life sweet. So me I show you when I do that the countryside, you know. Yeah man, sometimes I do some farming, sometimes I do some bird hunting. So check out them videos here on Yardman Farming TV. Yeah man, see the thing here? Yeah man, so you have one papa. You know papa good for we. So pick me papa up on the countryside and eat me papa, then go hunt some bird in the swamp area. Yeah man, see the papa leaf here. Yeah man, the papa leaf good for dengue, you know. So you know say a dengue season now. So can consume no papa leaf. Yeah man, have a lot of health benefit. Country life, you know. That man James. Captain. Chris! Morning. Yeah man, so I'm going to the swamp area now, you know. Yeah man, so we're in the swamp area now. Down them place them call it the Maros area, you know. So you know, so the swamp area, this is where you have a lot of mud. You have a lot of people in the farming area, do a lot of farming in the swamp. You can see it. Over here is a muddy area. Yeah man, so I'll be hunting some bird today in this area. So we can keep on watching. So yes, some people, you know, don't know. They're on it again. Now I go up on the farm today. Try hunt some bird. More time I have a elderly person love bird meat. So normally I go and hunt bird. And see if I can give that person some bird meat. Love bird meat. So today we have some balls today. Yeah man, so them balls here. They can take down this can shoot out like a big enough rabbit. Yeah man, so me have shoot with some balls today. So some marble. So it all depends at what size bird I'm shooting at. Yeah man, so some hunting with up on this morning. So big up on yourself and when I watch from. If you like the video and you learn something and you enjoy the video, you can subscribe because it's free of cost, you know. Free. Yeah man, so you see it. Make sure so you don't have a tool, having a knife. More time you want an orange peel, make sure so you don't have a knife. But yeah man, see the papaya. Yeah man, you see country life, you know. Yeah man, so we have a piece of papaya today. Knife is sharp, you know. You know, say fruit's good for the body. So you see them black thing here? Them black thing in the papaya, they see have a lot of health benefit, but yeah man, so not really I'll eat them today. Yeah man, so all about the hunting life in Jamaica and the farm life and the country. Enough youths growing up today don't understand what the country life is like. So now I have to show them what used to take place back in the days. Yeah man, so things feel nice, tastes nice. But anyway, I get into the video now. I'll see if we get no bird today. Don't know if today is gonna be my lucky day. But I'm showing you what I go on the bird hunting today, you know? So stay tuned to the video. Let's get into it right at the moment. Yeah man, so this is the homemade Slingshot. Yeah man. Some people call it the Catapult. Yeah man, so the homemade Slingshot this here. So I'll get into it now, you know? See gauger. Yeah man, so in the Maros area, you know. Yeah man, back over them place there. Base swamp area. So them do them fishing over that side there. But you don't know, say I hunt same way, you know. Yeah man, this is the canoe. See canoe right there, so. This is where fishermen leave from and go to different places like in the Black River area, Slipe area and them places, you know. Yeah man, yeah, look at sound. Here's some bird over that side, them make some noise, you know. Take your time. Yeah man, you want woodpecker make some noise, you know, woodpecker. Call one of the woodpecker, you know. Bird are kinda tough. See if we get to go closer to the woodpecker, you know. Can't see him. Yeah man, see them here. So orange good to make juice, you know. That's my first shot, my people. No luck. That was a woodpecker a while ago. Stay silent, you know. Can hear the sound of the birds them. Yeah man, see the country breadfruit, you know. Yeah man, this a brescia. Yeah man, this is the sour orange, you know. So I tell you go up on the field and you know, so I tell you thirsty. Sometimes you reach with something where you know so you can build up back your energy. Yeah man, so this is the sour orange. Yeah man, them sour. Enough people use them lemon, them make them with sugar and water and thing, you know. Look at knife, you're bad. But you want to build up back your energy, you just bust it up. Yeah man, so it just build up back your energy level, you know. This is a part of survival when you're in the bush. Sometimes you leave the water back way over one corner over there, so. Yeah man, so no luck today. Bird them kinda move scarce. So no luck today, you know. But I'm still on the go, Yeah man, so I'm up on a different location now. In the hills. Yeah man, they said the breadfruit. Yeah. Don't fit as yet, but you can make soap. Yeah man, I don't know if this is the yellow heart breadfruit or the white heart, you know. So you don't know. They're on our journey again. They're on the hillside. Tell us Jamaica nice. Next piece of hunting again. It's a nice view. This view can see straight over to Black River Sea. Very, very nice view. Yeah man, so we're on our journey again, yeah? They're on our journey, so I go on. Kale! What go on? Don't see you from where you know where you're on. You good though? Yeah, me there I pass through, go across the bush and do so. Look some bird, you know? Yeah man. Okay, okay. Yeah, man, so I go cross the bush as in? Manners and respect. Ah. Yeah, man, I have to check on the elders, them, you know. Check on the elders, them, when I go into the bird bush. Yeah, man, Swiss up, you know. Some place them call them a sugar apple. I don't know if you can see it. Sugar apple. Tastes sweet. Small version to the sour sap, you know. Yeah, man, it's a kneesberry tree, coconut tree, every kind of tree in the hills here. Last year, marble. I will see if I find the back. Some kneesberry, they're not fit as yet. Yeah, man. See if we can see some bald plate. So, if you like the video, you can leave in the comment section. Also, if you watch your step, you know, watch your step. Yeah, watch your step, man. And place water run from up in the hills, park mountainside. See the gully how it deep, they might call gully, you know. You live on the gully side. Yeah, man, so this is how we call the gully, you know. Come on. Noah. I look at elderly brethren and live here, so they call him Noah. Brother Noah. Like he know the boat still, so still up on the journey, you know. Can't see no farmer bald plate, white belly. Realize in a bird season time, man, them hunt off all of the big bird them. Yeah, man.